In this course, we will examine NURBS geometries such as surfaces, polysurfaces, and solids in Grasshopper, and examine how we can manipulate them to create parametric brick walls. Brick walls are typically designed with rigid parameters like brick height, width, and length, grout size, and the number of rows, which can easily be translated into parameters in Grasshopper. After building a simple brick wall, we will attempt to manipulate our geometry to create more complex patterns and shapes whilst adhering to the parameters of the wall. We will rotate bricks using attractor algorithms, the image sampler toolkit in Grasshopper, and complex surfaces. The series will also examine the Winery Gantenbein project by Gramazio Kohler as a precedent study. You can access all lessons and files associated with this course by signing up as a member at thedifferentdesign.com. Grasshopper contains a large collection of surface and solids tools. We will begin by examining how they might be used to create and analyze geometry in Grasshopper. Building on this knowledge, we'll then examine real-life parameters of a brick wall and walk through how to create a parametric brick wall from these parameters inside of Grasshopper. Once we have created our first brick wall, we can then extend this logic a little bit further by adding attractor points to recreate a precedent study, the Winery Gantenbein project by Gramazio Kohler. This project uses robotic fabrication to create a brick wall facade with rotating bricks that respond to a series of attractors and images. We will recreate this in Grasshopper by parametrically rotating individual bricks gradually based on their distance to an attractor point. We can take this logic one step further by making use of Grasshopper's image sampler toolkit. The image sampler allows us to draw data out of any image input and manipulate the data to recreate the image parametrically. We will use the image sampler data to imprint an image into our brick wall. We can use more complex NURBS surface geometries to create brick walls as well. The logic from our earlier studies can be applied to create brick walls across any NURBS surface geometry. This course is part of our Grasshopper course series on thedifferentdesign.com. You can access all lessons and files associated with this course by signing up as a member at thedifferentdesign.com today.